Welcome to the Weather Centre as we start a wrap of the work week. Friday morning starts off with some fog along the west coast, and we're expecting a mostly cloudy day with light rain along the southern and southeastern coastline. Mostly sunny and dry as we head over the central and northeastern parts, with a band of high cloud extending over the interior. It'll be yet another fine and warm to hot day over the extreme northeastern part of South Africa, with a partly cloudy and dry Friday for KwaZulu-Natal. On Friday night, light rain will move in over the southwestern part of South Africa. Here's our rainfall probability map with a 40% chance of light rain in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head further inland, as well as towards the Western Cape, with the possibility of evening rain in the southwest and a dry day for the rest of the country. Things stay warm, particularly over the eastern half of South Africa. 26 degrees for Johannesburg, 28 for Pretoria, Bombela and Polokwane, and we're expecting highs in the upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal. Still cool for George though, with a maximum of 18 degrees, 20 for Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and Springbok, and we're expecting a maximum of 28 for Uppington and Kimberley, with a warm into the work week. Along the west coast, moderate beach conditions are expected due to the possibility of morning fog, with a moderate south-southwesterly wind for Alexander Bay. You'll see more of a westerly component to the wind between Namakwaland and Langoban, with a 2-meter southwesterly swell and a wave period of 13 seconds. In the southwest, good beach conditions are expected for the Cape Town Atlantic side, with a northwesterly wind for Cape Town, fresh winds for False Bay, as well as Hermanus, with a strong west-northwesterly wind for Cape Agulhas, and in the southwest we'll see a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell with a wave period of 12 seconds. Along the south coast, light rain is forecast on Friday, with a fresh southwesterly wind for Mussel Bay, Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, both at 25 kilometers per hour. Port Elizabeth with a moderate southwesterly wind and a 2-meter swell along the south coast with a wave period of 12 seconds. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected for Durban and the Wild Coast, with a moderate northeasterly wind. We're expecting fresh winds for Richards Bay and East London, so moderate beach conditions there. And along the east coast, we'll see a 2-meter easterly swell with a wave period of 11 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.